Good day to you. Just took the tag off of this delicious cigar that I got from Tobacco City. Delicioso. Nice. And welcome to another chapter of In My Car with My Cigar. I want to ask you a couple of questions. You know, we're part of a lot of groups and a lot of fraternities and a lot of religious, social, educational communities. And I don't want to lose you as a fan, but I would rather lose you and be okay with losing you in the event that it cost me for telling you the truth. If any or all of these venues are teaching you to follow, teaching you to be led, supporting you on the path of mediocrity, telling you that all the divine or all the teacher and all the master and all that is expected of you is to read these books, to learn these words, sing these songs, learn these steps. If that is what they're providing for you, they're not providing anything for you, and they're robbing you of the essence of who you are and why you're here. Even if you believe the most basic of any story of how we arrived here, you know that the divine, according to the divine story, only put you on the earth and gave you a plan, but he never gave you a religion. You would know that all you had was literally the clothes that you had on your back. And yet you look around you and you see how amazing and how wonderful a world we live in, with creations and remakes and recreations of so many things, from the mind of a man, from the mind of a woman. Just look at it. And if you believe in the Big Bang Theory and you believe in the creation of a biological whirlwind of things that happened once upon a time, you will know that even from its inception, there was a working and a workfulness that took place that turned into the evolution that we call man, that we call woman. And look at it. I mean, take a very close look at it. All they had was what they had. And they began to create and remake and recreate and remake over and over again. So I'm asking you, what is your purpose? And if any of these entities, these individual organizations are not pushing you in that direction, rather than turn me off, how about you turn them off? This is Arnold Tate, Arnold Mr. Dad Tate, in my car with my cigar. I'm asking you to like this video, share this video, like and share. Make it a great day. Bye now.